Hiya, there's a girl here. No very often we see my birds in the ground. Stop for a wee change, I've always got them up fleeing. Wee blackie and stripe. That's the bossy bits there. A lot of these stains came for the shore, so there's a lot of the shore grit in there. That's what they're picking at. And that's good for the system too. Shore grit's the best for them. I don't know if any used fellas like sometimes take a walk down the beach and gather up the black bit. It's got to be the black stuff that comes up in the shoreline just where the water stops. Get that. They'll love it. And I just throw it about the garden and they devour it. They peck away all day in at that. My big white boy. I love the sound of their wee feet when they jump. Comes Flame. Gonna patch it. You can do hen. Flame the yin that's thrown his weight about the now. That's Storm's boy. He's actually bigger than his father. He's a broadoo. Hi, I'm talking about you. It's as if he knew there, wasn't it? I'm just keeping my eye on these two. I think, even though he's paired up with Sunrise, just watching Apache, she'll drop in, follow him. He's doing the dirty with her too. I've noticed them two kind of getting close. Champ there, I don't know, coke, hen, something. Oh. Need to wait till it's a wee bit bigger. But it's just nice to actually see them chilling out. Laying's a bit enough and they're starting to go in. No wanderer. Beautiful big bird though. They're lovely in the sky to watch, they just glide. That's Flame's dad. You can tell he's after him. Somebody in the hut screaming to get fed. That's it, folks. Enjoy your day. Big shout out to everybody. Well, they think I'm saying that's it for them today.